All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. I saw something interesting when I was doing my prep for Trader TV this morning, which I do every morning at 8:45 Eastern, every Monday morning and Friday mornings, I should say, at 8:45 Eastern. And I saw something interesting in the monthly charts of the S&P 500 that could give us a little bit of a cue of what kind of market we're going into for the next little bit. So I thought I'd bring it to you. As always, make sure you're going to statsedgetrading.com. You're signing up for the email list there, or just go to Substack and search for Michael Nauss, CMT. So here we are sitting on the S&P 500 on a monthly candle right here. So you can see that monthly candle. Let's ignore this one right here. And let's just take a look at the overall picture, right? So we had, obviously the bear market that took place here. Now we're up 3 months in a row, almost 4, right? We just started this month, but to break this resistance. Now everyone's saying, hey, we're overbought. We've got to crash back down hard. But the question is, do we, right? So let's go into this right here. This is 2016, 2015. I started with this one because it's a very similar pattern. We had about a year and a half of just nothing. And then we sold off a bit, and then we came back up to these prior highs right here. You can see 3-4 months in a row, and then 5-6 months of chop. If we go into 2019, right here, same thing. We had a big bear market, 3 months in a row, and then a sideways, maybe 6 months of chop. Right here too, big sell-off. This was 4 or 5 months up in a row, and then 4 months of just sideways action here as well. Last but not least, 2012. So we broke this prior high in 2012, got there by going up 4 or 5 months in a row, and then you can see the chop that took place over this period of time. So could it be that we are going to get this choppy type period for the next handful of months? That would line up with seasonally what happens in these election years, where up until the election, you get a bunch of chop where the market doesn't know what it is. It doesn't matter at the end of the day who's elected, but once that's kind of solidified and the market has that confidence of, okay, this is what we're dealing with for the next 4 years, then we get the up move. And again, you can see this over and over and over again. Now, gold. I wanted to bring this up. Gold is very interesting to me from this long-term chart. We have a big cup and handle type pattern going on here, but you can see already up 3 months in a row and then a couple months of chop. So does this mean we have a couple more months of chop in gold before potential breakout? Maybe. I don't know. Then last but not least is XLV. So we're breaking this high right here, and you can see we're doing that after going up 3 months in a row. So we could have healthcare chopping. The reason I highlight this one is there's been a lot of high-flying healthcare type names, the Ozempic plays, that could be consolidating. So in the comments and wherever you're seeing this, let me know what you think. Is this what we are up for the next few months, where we're going to have this weird choppy action and then potentially resolve higher? Or do you think this time is different and we're just going to smash back through? Or are you part of the Burma Bear crowd who thinks it's going to be 1987 all over again? Again, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys soon.